This brief video will instruct you how to change category weights for each semester. To change your category weights, first go to the Settings tab in the left-hand menu. Then click on Traditional Grade Calculations. The first thing to note is Semester 1 term weighting. That's probably not what you're going to edit. You can edit this by changing the value of the weight of each term, marking period 1 and exam 1. If I change that weight to a 5 and hit tab, it will adjust that for me. Please make sure that you keep your exam weights in line with school board expectations. If you've made any changes, click the Save button at the bottom of the screen. To change how assignments are weighted, use the M1 reporting term and select the pencil to edit. Here you may have to change from total points to category weighting. Right now there are 2 categories, but I need to add another one. I select this drop-down menu, Category Weighting, then this drop-down menu to select Assignment. I'll add one more by clicking on that plus sign again. Change this to Category Weighting. Change the middle attribute drop-down menu to adjust my weights. I simply edit the weight column. This column does not have to equal 100 because the program will calculate your percentages to equal 100. If I wanted to make sure that added up to 100, I would select my quizzes at 15, hit the tab button, and you'll notice 40, 15, 30, 15, those all add up. You could also just simply do this with whole numbers. Tests are worth 2, everything else is worth 1. It gives my percentages as 40, 20, 20, 20. So that's a second way that you can calculate categories. To complete your editing, click the Save button at the bottom of the screen. You'll notice that is for my Introduction to Sociology class. I will select my second class, English 12, confirm that my settings are correct on my Semester 1 reporting, and then go into my Marking Period 1 reporting and begin to make those adjustments again. Category weighting, Google Classroom, worth 1, add a category, category weighting, add my next assignment type, and so on. And click Save when I'm done. You'll repeat that process for each of your classes. Please make sure that you do not edit Semester 1 unless you are changing the value of your exam. Just as a final reminder. For more information, use one of these methods of contacting me directly.